everyone, welcome to this issue of OpenMV Robot Arm tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to use this robotic arm. Complete block identification and palletizing task, specific tutorials and source code. You can enter OpenMV.cc through the official website of SingTown Technology. Let's get started! Connect the robotic arm to a 12V power supply. OpenMV connects to the computer through a data cable. These are the files and code required to implement this example. This example has two implementations: find deep blobs and AI neural networks. Lay the scene map combining models, and code files drag into the OpenMV file directory. Align the base of the robotic arm with the box of the scene. Make sure the robotic arm is placed correctly. Place the frame and block in the designated position. Press the button. Different sorting schemes can be selected. Press button 1. Block identification using neural networks schemes. Press button 2. Identify blocks using a color recognition scheme. AI recognition solution. Load our own trained AI model loading models using machine learning modules. Traverse the entire image to find blobs that match the model. For specific AI model training methods, see OpenMV.cc. Check out our video tutorial numbers 38 and 42. And 1 minute of training video tutorial on neural networks classification and object detection. Find the blobs plan. Use a threshold editor through the OpenMV IDD. Locate the range of yellow and blue threshold values. Then enter the threshold value in the find blobs function to find the corresponding color. The main difference between the two is that recognition scheme for neural networks using the OpenMV rectangle recognition and classification using our trained model file. Even neural networks methods is complex, but its recognition robustness is strong, not susceptible to environmental interference. Color recognition scheme mainly use find blobs function module for classification by adjusting different color field values. You can find different colors. The method is simple and direct, but more sensitive to the environment. In the AI recognition section, we made a little bit of a special design to improve the stability of recognition code section. Given the identification result, we set a confidence level threshold. When the identified confidence level is greater than 0.5, it is judged that OpenMV has recognized the object, and we also set a detection range. The robotic arm only detects objects on the right side of the screen, prevent interference from left objects. In addition, the robotic arm recognized the object 20 times in a row. Follow-up operations further improve the stability of recognition. That's the end of the OpenMV robot arm block sorting and palletizing tutorial. Intelligent image recognition using OpenMV. You can achieve even cooler projects. Specific source code and more details. You can enter OpenMV.cc through the official website of SingTown Technology. Welcome everyone to follow, like, and leave a message. Bye!